Hi there, welcome to another Goods In video. I felt like getting some of these because we've got it's actually for a small downstairs toilet and it doesn't have great lighting in it. So I thought, well, I'll get one of these. And it's just a motion sensor light, really, a motion sensor LED light. But I think they come in a pack of 3. Does it actually say? Oh, yeah, it does say there, three pieces. So these are the I've no idea what that says. Rakoki? So many variations of these kind of names and, that you get when you pick up the kind of products directly from China. But these are LED sensor lights, and they're rechargeable. Good. They have 24 LEDs, which this company sell their product on, saying that other companies have 12 LEDs. So these are much brighter. They've got magnetic attachments, so you could. That's pretty good actually. So if you do have something sort of metallic, well, I'm trying to think how many situations you would have something metallic to fit them on. But the option is there anyway, and they do also come, I think, with like a 3M adhesive strip as well. So and motion and light sensor, bright adjustable. I didn't know that actually. I just assumed these were probably going to be a bit too bright for what we needed. But yeah, and an intelligent remote control. Sure. Okay. So I picked these up yesterday, and these retail I think they're about £25 actually. And they arrived today, with it being Amazon Prime. So let's just take a look at what you get. Okay, so here are the lights, and they're all kind of on these metallic mounts, which is quite good. I'm assuming you can take those off the mounts though, because otherwise, how do you recharge them? I guess they just kind of clipped off or something for recharging purposes. I guess that's this sort of PIR type motion sensor in the middle there. So yeah, you get 3 of these in the pack. I don't actually need 3, but you can use one in the bathroom as well, and I'm sure I can find a use for 3 of these somewhere, maybe. And what else do you get? Here's the remote control, fairly standard stuff. Have a play with that in a second. And we got our little plastic tab there to prevent battery contact, so that's should now be active. And we have an instruction manual. Let's have a look how it is. Instruction manual. Okay. Yeah, it looks all right. Just having a quick read of that. It looks okay. Doesn't look like really sort of badly written. Okay. Misspelling of the word prize there. And it does come with a nice flat USB USB-A to micro USB cable. That's quite nice actually. You don't get too many flat ones of these, so always handy to have, I suppose, and always handy to have another one of these. At least it's a little bit different from the thousands that I've already got. And that's it. So no fancy packaging here, nothing particularly fancy, but I'll just take a quick look at this, and then I'll show you how it works. Unfortunately, it looks like these are completely dead out of the box. I think usually for lithium-ion storage, you're supposed to store them at a 50% charge. That ensures that the battery will last as long as it possibly can in storage, but it looks like these are completely dead. So I'm going to have to stick these on charge for half an hour or so we can test them out. I've left it on charge for about half an hour now, and it's certainly working anyway. Firstly, there is no mounting bracket on this. I thought there might be some kind of way of mounting it, but it's not like that. It's just an adhesive strip that's actually magnetic itself. So the whole thing is based on magnet. You either stick this to the surface you want and then put that on, or you just put that on directly. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. But I'll be using the adhesive strips here, these strips, because I don't have any magnetic surface, any metallic surface, should I say. Where I'm going to be using these. So that's how you mount them. To turn it on, you just press the end here and hold it down. And then you switch modes just by pressing through it. And the modes you've got are listed on the remote control as well here. You've got night mode, which essentially means that it'll only detect motion and turn on at night time. Then you've got day mode, which will detect motion and turn on any time. And then you've got always on mode. And then you've got plus and minus on the brightness. There are about 10 different brightness levels. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you've got a direct move to kind of 50% brightness, and then just some timers like that. So let's just turn it on. You'll be able to do that with the remote here. And these are the warm white variants. So these are, looks to me to be about, probably about 2700 Kelvin, I would have thought, something like that. So they are fairly warm. And if I can reduce it down through the brightnesses like this with the remote control, and it just remembers that. So that's the minimum brightness. And as I say, that's now gone off. So if I move, is it on daytime mode? I'm not too sure actually, no. So it's on there. The red LED there showed it was daytime mode. If I press the nighttime mode, it's on blue, so it's immediately turned off because there's a lot of light in here. And then now both means it's on always on, so they both of them flash together there. So I would want this, I think, to be on daytime mode, because yeah, I think it would need to be on when there's light. So if I just sort of turn the brightness up a little bit now, and I'm just going to leave this for a few seconds, and you can see roughly, yeah, it goes off fairly quickly there, but obviously when I move again, it actually doesn't go off normally quite that quickly. So I'm just going to leave it for a few seconds. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, there we go. It's gone off now. And I might have moved a bit, so I might have made it a little bit longer than it would otherwise be. But if I just move now in front of it, there you go, it comes back on again. And that's it, really. That's all there is to it. They're just little LED lights. I think there's, you know, if you don't have it on full brightness, I can imagine the charge will last ages. But also, you know, I think some people might want to use these for night lights on the stairs or something. Or I'm going to probably put these one of these in the bathroom upstairs, so that if someone walks in at night time, it comes on. And yeah, nice and simple. I'd say about £25, so not terribly cheap, I guess. But you do get 3 of these, and they are nicely built in these in this metal housing. So yeah, it seems fairly decent. I'll just quickly. Oh, there's nothing interesting on the back actually there, but yeah, that's about it. These are the, what are they? It's an intrusion manual. An intrusion manual for the LED motion sensor light from, well, I'll stick up the Amazon page, and I'll put Amazon links in the description below. If you're interested in these for your house, then use those, and you can support the channel as well. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.